Yusuf from the UK. He says that if we have an impurity on an electronic device, a mobile, a PDA, a computer, how to remove this impurity? Yusuf, if you see the impurity visible, and it's not only doubts, no, I think something came, I may have done this or that, may, or I think, or perhaps, take it and throw it in the dustbin. You don't need doubts to change the certainty. The certainty is that the pen is pure. Actually, it's not my pen. I came into the studio and I found the pen with a pad on my table. So there is a possibility that the sheikh before me who was using this pen had impurity on his hand, and now it transformed or transferred into mine, and then I touched my scarf, and then I touched my keys of the house and entered the house, and the whole house is nabak or najis, so I have to burn it down to the ground. These are whispers of shaitan. And I get counseling sessions like crazy and questions on my email like crazy. And I'm talking about the hundreds of emails I get a week on this topic. Knowledge erases all doubts and whispers of shaitan. So, this is my mobile. Does it have an impurity on it? Yes, Sheikh. Are you sure? Are you certain? He said, definitely, I can see the impurity. In this case, the mobile phone is slick and soft. It's not like a harsh wood or pieces of bricks that cannot be wiped. See, the surfaces are two types. Surfaces that are so smooth, like the blade of a sword. So if there's a najasa in the blade of a sword or a knife, I just wipe it well, I can see that there's nothing on it. Glass, metal, it's the same thing. But if it has a rough surface, like wood that is not, I don't know, how used sandpaper on it, it's still rough. Wiping this does not do the job. You have to wash it. So with your mobile phone, with your electronic devices, all what you have to do is just get some a little bit damp paper or cloth and wash it and wipe it, and this is it. But if you're not certain, then to begin with, you should not do anything, because doubts do not impact certainty.